You can securely share your knowledge base created in OpenDocs using a public link. To begin, click the Share button at the top right corner. Next, choose the pages you want to share. You can share selected pages only or the entire knowledge base. After confirming your sharing scope, click Next to continue. Now, provide a short description of what this shared content is for. Then, choose whether the shared pages should remain detached from your ongoing edits or auto-update whenever you make changes. Set the sharing method to public link and click Generate Link. Your selected pages are now being shared. You can send this link to your readers so they can access your knowledge base anytime. You can also create multiple shares for the same knowledge base. Each share can have its own page selection, update behavior, and description, giving you full control over what different audiences can see.